Hi there, I'm Rachel.
Hi, I'm Eva.
Today, Eva will show you her full day routine.
From morning to night, you will learn simple English sentences you can use every day.
Listen and repeat after us.
Let's get started. First, I wake up at 6:30 every day.
Do you get up right away?
No, I feel a little sleepy. So I stretch in bed for a minute.
That sounds nice.
Then I open my curtains and let the sunlight in.
The room gets bright.
Yes, it helps me wake up. After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Now you look more awake.
Then I get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have toast, an egg, and a small salad.
That sounds healthy.
Sometimes I burn the egg,
Oh no.
but most days it's okay. I also drink a cup of coffee.
Coffee gives you energy.
Yes, it helps me start my day. After breakfast, I leave home and walk to school.
How long does it take?
It takes about 10 minutes.
Do you listen to music?
Sometimes, but usually I enjoy the fresh air. I can see everyone starting their day.
That sounds peaceful.
I also say hi to my neighbor's dog.
That's cute.
When I get to school, I get ready for class. I try to speak English as much as I can.
Even if you make mistakes.
Yes, I keep trying.
Great. That's your morning routine. Let's practice.
I wake up at 6:30 every day. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I walk to school.
Great job. Now, let's move to the afternoon.
In the afternoon, I eat lunch with my friends.
Where do you eat lunch?
We eat in the school cafeteria.
What do you talk about?
We talk about our classes and our plans for the weekend.
That sounds fun.
After lunch, I go back to class. When all my classes are finished, I often go to the library.
What do you do there?
I review my lessons or work on my homework. I review my lessons every day. Sometimes I watch short English videos.
For listening practice?
Yes, it helps me understand natural English.
Let's practice.
I eat lunch with my friends. I review my lessons in the library. I work on my homework after class.
Do you go straight home after school?
Not always. Sometimes I go to my part-time job.
Oh, where do you work?
I work at a cafe twice a week.
What do you do there?
I make drinks, take orders, and clean the tables.
Is it busy?
Yes, sometimes, but I enjoy it.
Why do you enjoy it?
Because I can talk to customers. I practice speaking English politely. For example, I say, "Can I help you?"
That's very useful. Can I have an iced coffee, please?
Sure. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay, I'll be right back.
That was natural and polite.
Thank you.
Let's practice.
I work part-time at a cafe twice a week. I make drinks and take orders. I practice speaking English politely.
What do you do in the evening?
When I finish work, I go home. Then I eat dinner with my family.
Do you talk during dinner?
Yes, we talk about our day. It's one of my favorite times.
Because you can relax?
Exactly. After dinner, I write a short journal in English. I don't write a lot. I write just a few sentences.
What do you write about?
I write about what I did and how I felt. It helps me remember new words.
That's a great habit.
Before going to bed, I take a warm shower. Then I brush my teeth again. I prepare my things for the next day. It helps me have a stress-free morning. After that, I turn off the lights. I go to sleep around 11.
A good night's sleep is important.
Yes, then I can feel good the next day.
Let's practice.
I eat dinner with my family. I write a short journal in English. I prepare my things for the next day.
Now let's review Eva's full day routine.
I wake up at 6:30 every day. I walk to school. I eat lunch with my friends. I work part-time at a cafe twice a week. I eat dinner with my family. I go to sleep around 11.
Great job. Now it's your turn. Try to say your own daily routine in simple English.
1 or 2 sentences are enough.
For example, I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast with my family.
Keep it simple.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye for